Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently delete a WhatsApp group in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. Okay, first open WhatsApp and go to the group you want to delete. Okay, if you're an admin, you will need to remove all members before deleting the group. To do this, tap the group name at the top, scroll down to see the members, and tap on each member and select Remove from the group. Tap Remove. I'm going to do the same with the rest of two. Tap Remove. Tap Remove. Once all members are removed, scroll down and tap Exit Group. WhatsApp will ask for confirmation. Tap Exit again. And now that you have exited, you will see the option to delete group. Tap on it. And yes, the group is gone forever. And yes, that's it. You have successfully deleted a WhatsApp group. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.